Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this beautiful wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before, but the difference is just the color. And then I always love when I introduce a new color, I always prefer to try it on and share it on YouTube, so that you can also know that I have different colors. And also sometimes when I've not shared the color, some of my clients, they ask me for the photos that I have the style on. So that's why sometimes I just prefer to share the different colors here on YouTube. So guys, if you love this style, make sure give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And then also, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so that you can contact me and I'll send it to you. And also you can just order it from my website. So this is color 27. I have them in different colors, black, 1900, black and gray. Like, I can just have the style in different colors. And then also, if you want your own color or a color that you prefer, just let me know when you order it, or just text me on WhatsApp and I'll make it for you. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.